Hey, my name is Sajib, and this is my new platform called CalSajeeb. Let's have a look at our very lucrative and minimalistic landing page. So, CalSajeeb is a platform which will simplify your scheduling process, and that will help you to make it effortless for your client to book meeting with you. For example, if you are a marketer or HR or recruiter, and you have to do multiple meetings with people or with your customers, and it's very hard to manage every single meetings every day. So here CalSajeeb came with one solution. All you can do, you can just create event, and your customer or clients will create event or create meeting with you. All you have to do, just get registered for free, and it's completely free, guys. For the time being, we have two options: sign in Google or GitHub. I'll go with Google for the time being. Once you are signed in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. And from dashboard, you can access your event types, meetings, availability, and settings as well. And from the setting, you can change your name and profile picture. If you go to the availability, you can customize your availability. For example, I'm not free at Saturday and Sunday, and from Monday I'm available from 10 o'clock till 4 o'clock. If I save the change, it will be saved. And if you go to the event type, just imagine if you wanna do 30 minutes meeting or 1 hour meeting with your client, you can create it very easily. Like at the title, you can set a title like I can say no more about CalSajeeb. At the URL, I can set a custom URL, and at the description, I can say more briefly like if you have any questions, you can ask here, ask in the meeting. I will try my best to make you understand. It's perfect. And the duration, I'll go with 30 minutes. If you look at the video call provider, you can either go to Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. I'll stick with Google Meet and create the event type. Now you have created an event type, 30 minutes event type actually. And if you go there and click on the copy, you copy the link. All you have to do, you have to just send the link to your clients. For example, your client will paste the link and that person will go to this page. From here, that person can see the title, description, and the duration of the meeting. All he have to do or she have to do, like create the meeting with you. Here, that person can see you are not available at Saturday, Sunday. You are available from Monday to Friday. So that person can book any event. Like if the person wanna book an event at 11 o'clock, and just tell the name, John, and the email, the email.com, and book meeting. So that person successfully booked his meeting. Close this page, and if you go to your dashboard, if you go to the meetings, you can see that one meeting has created with John, time and date. You can join meeting from here. Also, that person and you will get email about the meeting details and the meeting link as well. Now again, if I go with this link, and if another person wanna book at same day, that person cannot can't book at 11 o'clock because it's already booked. That will make your life more simpler. Like you won't have multiple meetings at the same time, and people will book the meeting with you at your availability. That's the magic of CalSajeeb, guys. And from the meetings, you can see all the meetings, upcoming meetings, and you can start meeting from here.